Hey Lyle, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're local here in Beloit, Wisconsin. This is what we specialize in, is roof maintenance, roof cleaning, and low pressure siding cleaning. So if you look below, you can take a look at the different packages depending on the level of clean you're looking for on your siding and the different levels of maintenance on your shingles. We can just apply a concentrated soap, let it dwell, or we can apply like a chlorine type algicide, get all those black streaks to go away right away. But that does, dry out the shingles a little bit. So what we do when a roof gets past 10 years old, we like to encourage a roof conditioning treatment with an all-natural bio oil. It seeps down into the shingles. It helps reactivate all those seal strips in the shingle. We'll do a full roof tune-up and then condition those shingles to retain all their granulars. And really what it does is it extends the life of your roof by another 5 years. So that's an option to you to help preserve and the life of your roof. You get a 5-year transferable warranty with your house here, and that way you'll be in good shape for a long time to come. Get your quote for the gutter cleaning, a general deck clean. Looks like it's pretty standard. You're probably going to want to get another coat of stain on the floorboards there. Probably want to get the roof debris off there. That's part of the roof clean. That will take care of that. Other than that, I counted up your windows, so I'll get you a quote for that as well, and an exterior garage wash down. So, and I'll create like a bundled package discount. We kind of market our company a little bit differently than most companies. If you see here, you're on a busy road, and I'm sure you've seen our yard signs all over town. So if you allow us to put a yard sign in your yard, probably by the telephone pole over there where you don't have to mow around it too much, that really helps us to get a lot of leads, keep us busy. It's really cheap, and we'll be able to extend that discount to you for letting us keep it out there. So any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020, and look forward to working with you soon. Take care.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.